With all the uncertainty in the world right now, it's become obvious that we need to go virtual to thrive. And virtual isn't going away anytime soon. As home buyers experience the convenience of virtual buying, more and more experts agree that this will become part of the new normal. Let me ask you, are your agents putting their best foot forward online? Because missteps like poor camera angles, bad audio quality, distracting backgrounds, and even lack of eye contact through the screen can push away potential clients. And how are you handling continuing education in 2020? Did you know virtual sessions could be fun? Using Zoom features such as breakout rooms, polling, whiteboards, and screen sharing, meetings can be more interactive than ever. Not only would I love to teach your team to be more effective in a virtual setting, we can work on overall communication skills too. A National Association of Realtors 2019 report shows that 61% of home buyers are 50 years old or younger. Now, why is this important? With the older generation, the decision came down to one of two things: trying to get the best deal or trying to check off all the boxes on their new house wish list. Young buyers are more concerned with the overall experience. In fact, one study shows that these buyers would rather work with an agent who makes them feel valued throughout the home buying process than another agent who can actually give them more house for the money. Another study shows highly effective communicators average 47% higher returns for their company. So whether working with clients over the internet or in person, it's vitally important that your agents are providing the best experience every time while making your client feel valued. An improv-based virtual workshop can show how easy it is to do these things while also demonstrating to your trainers how powerful online learning can be. And if you're looking for a referral, you can talk to some of my past clients. So what do you think? Are you ready to help your team thrive in the new normal? If so, I'd love to help.